pics younger.
These are unreleased photos. This is exclusive.
Now that's fucking based.
Anyone wanna guess why Bake was so late to start the stream tonight? 'Cause he was so busy whining and dining this tranny, and when he finally gets home, he turns on the stream to make a few extra bucks. Saturdays are supposed to be for the boys.
Hey.
You guys, what are you saying?
Erin has been helping me unpack. She's been very. The boys are here.
I am basically like a boy.
No, no, you're not.
Well,
You're not a boy. Don't tell them that. Now they think you're a tranny.
Oh God.
You just said I'm basically a boy.
Well, not literally.
You're not a boy. No,
I'm
you're
not.
a woman. You're a woman.
I have a vagina.
Yes.
A pink one. Someone's peppered.
You had one job to show them the pictures. And you come over here saying that you're like a dude. What the fuck are you doing?
They were saying Blair White stuff earlier. So.
Okay, here. I will show.
I showed them the pictures.
I will show you the pictures.
You guys, I'm totally a tranny.
Okay.
I'm not. Yes, a pink badge.
Here's a picture of me when I was younger. In college, actually. This is exclusive. And here's another one. These are nice memories.
You guys, proof is gonna cost a lot more.
So I thought I would share those with you.
Proof is porn.
What? They're asking for who?
Ah! Okay. Do I need all these?